This is John Grimes, president of Weedoo Boats here in South Florida. Basically, the technology came from oil skimming, oil spills. And it was basically a conveyor system that would lift the oil up out of the water because it would obviously float. Yeah. And the technology was developed into machines that would pick up weeds or trash or other things out of the water. And our company started much as many of the other companies who do aquatic weeds, but we found very quickly that the large machines that we were building were obviously too cumbersome for the average small pond or canal. So we started to develop a smaller version of traditional harvesting equipment. And the Weedoo 300 that we're filming now is a great example of a mini aquatic machine. This particular one is a Weedoo Series 300, and it's equipped with twin propulsion drives, hydraulically driven, on tilt plates, which allows the operator to lift them depending on the depth of his water. And it has a hydraulically driven cutter blade, a high-speed cutter that will boom down off the side. It's called a marine boom arm cutter, and it will cut up to 1 acre an hour at a depth of 5 feet. And as you can see, it's operated with one person, and with his left hand on the controls to steer the boat and drive it forward, and on the mechanisms to govern the cutter.
I'm Vice President of Palm Beach Aquatics. We are an environmental lake management company, and today we're here at Century Village in Broward County to work with our aquatic weed cutter to go around through this one canal here at Lyndhurst and cut the submerged hygrophila in this lake. This aquatic weed cutter actually has a boom arm that goes down into the water and will cut up to 5 foot in depth, and the blade is in about 48 inches in length, so that we'll be able to cut and have that submerged vegetation eventually float to the surface. And tomorrow we'll be coming in with our harvester and excavating this as we go through the waterways. So this morning we're here at Century Village, and we are here extracting everything that was cut yesterday with our aquatic weed cutter. Our conveyor system probably can load up to almost 1,000 pounds of vegetation in less than a half an hour, and then it's transported to the back of our dump truck and conveyed up into our dump truck, and it's actual removal right away. So we cut, remove, and it's immediate. So our goal here today is to get the waterway cleaned out from all the cut vegetation from the property. This is a flowing system through this waterway here, coming from the Hillsborough Canal, continuously bringing in nutrients and vegetation that is managed strictly by the county and is not maintained enough to keep the flow here clear.